Hi, let me show you how to easily set name ringtone on iPhone. So firstly, go ahead and open settings on the phone and scroll all the way down to find phone in apps list. So I'm gonna use search bar, manually input phone, and here it is. Now, in the preferred language category, we need to find announce calls tab, select it, and if you want for Siri to announce all of the incoming calls, then select Always. You can also choose headphones and car or headphones only, and here read info about every feature in this list. So let's set Always, and now I'm gonna use this back arrow to save changes, and now let's test it. So I'm gonna call myself
Tina, Maddie, or two others.
And as you can see, Siri announced this phone call. So, also Siri will announce name of person which is in your contacts list, but if not, it won't announce phone number itself. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe or like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.